BMW offers a universal wireless charging station which is available as an accessory. The part is compatible with almost all BMW cup holders. Connect the USB-C adapter. Place the wireless charging station in the cup holder. Connect the wireless charging station with the USB-C adapter to ensure power supply. Place the power bank in the wireless charging station. To ensure maximum charging effectiveness, you can adjust the height of the charging coil with the slider on the left side. The smartphone can be fixed with the adjustable top bracket to avoid falling down. You can also take the wireless charging device with you and use it as a power bank. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.